Why do you want to just make faces? What are you making faces for? Alright, make your faces.
Okay, I'm done.
That's all you want to do?
Yeah.
You don't want to give a, what's good, YouTube? None of that? Nah.
I don't know them. Stranger danger.
Oh my God. What's good, YouTube? It's Lex on Point, aka Baby Creatures. And today, I already told y'all, make a vlog. Going to an event called Bonnets and Durags. It's a day party, but you gotta wear a durag or a bonnet. Here with the sis.
Durag.
Durag, Team Durag? Yo, Dion, what team you on?
Team Durag.
Uh-huh.
Wait, hold on. Team So Many Waves Durag.
Ooh, did y'all hear that? Make sure you click the link in the description. I'm gonna have the link for the So Many Waves Durag, as well as my discount code, which is LEXX, saves you 10%. But, yeah, y'all know what a vlog is. I'm just showing y'all everything, letting y'all be nosy for the day. Yes, I have my book bag on. I've been in New York City since yesterday. Had to change outfits, had to shower. Feel me? Shout out to the Waves Club in the building. You already know. Also, gonna have that link in the description with the code LEXX for something off. It's gonna take something off. So now I'm outside of the venue. The venue is called the Zombie House. It's in Brooklyn. Flatbush Ave. Is this Flatbush Ave? Yes, Flatbush Ave. I'm about to go in there, show y'all how it's looking. And I have a feeling it's gonna get turned up. So y'all stay tuned. Y'all can see the rest of my day, my evening, all the way till I get back home in upstate New York. But for now, I'm gonna go enjoy myself, have a drink of 3 or 5 or 6. Stay tuned. No. Fly guy.
Hype Life in the building, DJ TGIF. Shout out to Wavy Creatures. We in here, man. Bonnets and Durags, you see me. Velvet.
What's that?
The Velvet. Oh, wait. Oh, you see it? You feel me? We out here, know what I mean?
Okay? Heard you!
Nice. Alright, about to hand it off to my guy right here real quick. Tell him what your name is, bro. They call me TGIF, the hypest DJ period. Hype Life all the way in the building. I came here to get ratchet tonight, so if y'all trying to get ratchet like I'm trying to get ratchet, I need y'all to turn the fuck up here.
What's going on? It's your girl Simone, and I am the host and creator of Bonnets and Durags and Pillow Talk Podcast. And welcome to my Pillow Talk Party. So, this is the celebration of the podcast that I have, again called Bonnets and Durags and Pillow Talk Podcast, where we have open and intimate conversations with millennials of color. So every single person in this room has a voice. And so I've created a platform in which we can express that. So, you know, thank you for that. But yes, no, I wanted to create a safe space for us where we can celebrate and love one another, and I am just so thrilled to see all of my beautiful black and brown people in this building. So thank you so much for coming out here and supporting. See, I'm a hustler. Only boo I wanted was a boo.
Oh. Yes. Out here in the liquor store. He is spinning.
And then let him know you got a silk too.
Yo, shout out to So Many Waves in the building. You see this? This is silky. This is not no poly.
I go home. Why you got Jesus with me? If you wanna leave with me, but you ain't gotta lie to me.
I want to say thank y'all for viewing these vlogs. You know, this is literally first time me doing vlogs and stuff like that, and it's kind of hard to get everything that I want to get in one shot because I start drinking, I start forgetting what I want to record. But I want to say, leave me some feedback in the comments, how you think I can get better at vlogging, and definitely make sure you give this a thumbs up and subscribe. I'll see y'all in the next one.